This video has 1.4 million views from YouTube and you'll get $500. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how much money a channel about gardening can make every month. I will also show you the RPM, revenue per mile, of my channel and of every video that I uploaded on my channel. We will look into each video RPM and analysis to understand how the RPM works on my YouTube channel and also on other YouTube channel, and how to improve the RPM to improve your income if you are earning from YouTube videos, if you are making money online just like me. And I also show you my audience to let you know that if you are doing gardening on YouTube, who will come to your channel to watch your videos. And this is my personal experience only. It might not be correct to everyone, just my sharing. And so first, let's have a quick overview about my channel. I started making the channel from September 12th, 2023. I upload new videos every 1 or 2 weeks, or sometimes it may take longer for me to upload new videos. It depends on how busy I am at that time, because I have a full-time job, so I take this YouTube thing as a hobby. So I would try to manage my time to do a video, but it's not very stable. But I would try to upload new video every month to keep the engagement from my audience, because if you're not uploading videos on your channels, your audience may forget about your channel, because your video does not pop up on their when they are on YouTube. You know what I mean, right? So in my case, when I make a gardening channel, the most audience who come to my channel is Vietnam, second is Japan, third is Indonesia, and the fourth is India, and the United States plays at the fifth, and other country like Malaysia, Philippines, South Korea, Brazil, Bangladesh, Saudi Arabia, Thailand, Uzbekistan, and so on. And let's take a look at the view genders. Mostly from male, really. I think female like gardening more than male, but I don't know. It's the data is always correct. And geography doesn't matter. It's just like traffic source, right? So mostly from suggested video and playlists. Oh really? And then let's talk about the how to increase the RPM. I have a couple channels about gaming and vlog. And what my experience is, if you want to increase the RPM, the best way is to make good video is the obligatory fact. And second is make a longer videos. So a 9-minute video will make more money than a 4-minute video, for sure, because for a 9-minute video, apps will show more. On the longer the videos, the more apps will show, and moreover, when you link to monetization and replacement, so you can add more apps whenever you want into your videos. So which means that the audience will have to watch more apps and you will bring you more income. And let's take a look for like 4-minute videos. See, we cannot edit the apps placement on the video that is shorter than 8 minutes. So my tip is to make a video longer than 8 minutes to improve your RPM. So So let's filter the video from highest view to lowest views. And this video, 365 days, raw papaya in pot seed to harvest, from seeding to harvesting. Sorry, my English was bad at that time, so I make some grammatical mistake. And the total view I get for this video is 10,000 views. And let's see how much money this video make with 10,000 views. Let's see. Click to analyze an analytic. Over 10,000 views, the channel bring me $2.08. Wow, that's a big number, right? The most traffic sources come from playlists. Maybe I have a lot of playlists here. Maybe someone find this playlist interesting and then they save it to their YouTube channel and they watch it over and over again. So that's why this video has a lot of views. But the money is not much. $3. $3 for 10,000 views. So the RPM, let's click to revenue. The RPM is about 0.27 cents. So YouTube pay me 0.27 cents for every 1,000 views come to the channel, come to this video. So let's compare to other videos. Let's take this videos. Its video length is 8 minutes and 18 seconds. The view is 2,000 views, and then let's see how much money. Oh my gosh, 0.05 cents dollar. Oh my gosh, why is so little? Let me check the monetization. Review placements have a lot of just card changes. I don't know why, but I'll take 11 minutes. What about this? Oh my gosh, that's 7 days, 12 views, no revenue. Okay, let's compare this videos, like 9,000 view. It's in public. Let me check for the last 7 days. No, last 28 days. 239 views for $0.04. So which means the RPM is $0.16. That's not much for a gardening channel, but it doesn't matter. I think it will increase over time when I get more audience and when a lot of more people know my channel. And this video is from my other channel, also about gardening. Let's see. This video has 1.4 million views from YouTube, and you'll get $500. So which means the RPM is $0.35, which is a little better. So as I said earlier, you can improve your RPM channel by making the video better and longer and put more apps placement on your videos, so you will be success one day. So, and that's the end of the video today. Hope you guys enjoyed the videos, and please give me a thumbs up and comments down below. Thank you and bye for now.